take the 10 million and walk. No. A play? Let me remind you, John.
That's it? I caught you.
Get the answer wrong.
I caught you being funny.
Lose everything. 10 million rupees, John.
Oh, Morrison, it's okay, honey. They didn't mean to bump into you. And it's a WrestleFest. It's a WrestleFest. Normally I don't let you guys play in the bed, but it's too cute. Aww. Is that your buddy Lola?
It's raining.
Come on. Whoopsie. Back up. It's okay, Morrison. Oh, are we done now? Toodles? Toodly-doo. Toodly-dee. Hi.
Go for a walk on a 20-minute